Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing great today, and I hope you are currently thinking about how much fun you're going to have at the Mid-Ohio Valley Penn Turners Gathering this September 23rd and 24th, 2023. Now, I went to the P.O. box on my way home from work, and there was a box there waiting for me from two fantastic companies. Stadium Pin Blanks, owned by Mike Harden. You've heard me talk about him before. I've used his Magic Juice and I've turned some of his other blanks on my channel. Mike's a great guy, going to be at the show. He brings a lot of amazingly cool stuff, especially if you are into sports. He has, and not just sports, but even historical locations. He has some amazing blanks that he sells, and he has just finishing supplies. He has a great selection of stuff. And the other vendor you've heard me talk about many times, I always say, when somebody wants a custom blank, I got a guy. Well, my guy is Michelle Bagley at Drop Anchor Creations, and she's fantastic. I have never been anything less than 110% satisfied with any blank that she has made for me. She does fantastic work, and anytime I need a custom blank, Michelle will be the person that I call to get that done. So with that being said, I'd like to flip the camera around, show you what these two amazing people with their amazing companies have sent for giveaways at the show, and I think you're going to like it. It's pretty cool. Take a look at this. Sent to me by Mike Harden to be given away to you, potentially, at the show. You got to be there to win. $25 gift certificates. He sent 8 of them. These are good at Stadium Pin Blanks. Now, they must be redeemed at the show, but I guarantee you will have no problem finding something in his booth that you want to take home and use on your lathe or turn and make a pin out of. He has some great stuff. Mike, this is awesome. Thank you so much. What a wonderful prize. 8 lucky people are going to walk away with one of these gift cards. Oh, and when you win one, you also get some Welch's fruit snacks. So you got a little snack for the show. And from Drop Anchor Creations, I know you guys are going to love these prizes. They are amazing. We're going to start out with 4 $20 gift cards. Now, they must be redeemed at the show. You got a little Swedish fish snack, a little anchor in there. And I didn't see it until I was packing them up, but the blanks from Mike Harden, they actually have a little baseball magnet in them, so they're really cool too. And I wanted to mention that. But let's get to the blanks. We've got Eagle Rare Kentucky Straight Bourbon. Now, this is cool because you're going to get the blanks, you're going to get the kit, and you're going to get the bushings to be able to make that. So you got the entire, you can go right to the turning room and make an incredible blank when you win it. This one here is really cool. This is themed Amazon Warrior, and it's a Wonder Woman themed blank. It comes with a kit and bushings. This one is Titanic. Now this is Titanic themed, and I believe this one has, yeah, it has an inlay in it. There's a little piece of possibly wood. I can't really read the card. Oh, there we go. RMS Titanic, coal, wood, and rust. So you've got, oh wow, you've got wood, coal, and you got a piece of rust. That's really cool. We've got a blank kit and of course bushings. And all of these come with a little snack, Swedish fish. And this one's awesome. I actually have turned this one. This is Ford's Theater. It's a beautiful blank. It does come as well with a kit and bushings. So this is incredible because you can go straight to the turning room and make these at the show, or you can take these back to your shop and enjoy them. And they're just wonderful kits. And I know you're going to love the quality of her cast blanks. I was really excited when I opened the P.O. box, and there was a key in there, and I got to go open the secondary P.O. box. And this little box from Drop Anchor was there, and I thought, what's Michelle sending me? And then I'd forgotten that we had talked quite a while back about her and Mike sending their donations for the show, for the door prizes to me. So I thought it was coming directly to me, so I was all excited. I was like, wow, I got something cool. But all of this, I promise you, all of these items, all 16 of them, will be at the show. I also got a really nice little thank you card from Michelle and Michael. So I want to say a very special heartfelt thank you to both of you. And guys, this is what I'm talking about. I call these guys mom and pop vendors, and I hope they don't take that the wrong way, but they are small companies dedicated to our hobby who support the show. They will be at the show selling items to you that are just incredible. One last time, I'm going to say, the show is September 23rd and 24th. That is Saturday and Sunday, 2003. You can go to movptg.com on the internet, and you'll see a little bit of information about the show. It is going to be an awesome time. I can't wait to be there. I've got about 14 or 15 people that have contacted me and said, hey, I'm coming to the show. So if you haven't already contacted me and told me you're coming to the show, please do so, because I'd like to know who's coming. And if you are coming to the show, be sure to stop me, say hello, introduce yourself. Couple of things to think about if you're coming to the show. Bring a pin kit. Also bring a pin blank. They have a deal called kit in a bucket and blank in a bucket. And when you arrive at the show, you can go up to the bucket and you can drop your kit in and you'll get a ticket for that bucket. Same goes for the blank bucket. And during the prize giveaways, they will draw one of the tickets and you win every kit in that bucket. And if they draw your blank ticket, you win every blank in that bucket. I do know that they're going to be doing pins for troops. So if you would like to turn some pins and bring them to be donated to our troops, what a great cause. I think you should do that. Please bring them to the show. Generally, they have a pin swap. So if you want to make a pin and get involved in the pin swap, I urge you to bring a pin that you have made with you to the show, and you can get involved in the pin swap. Beyond that, there will be door prizes that you will get a ticket for when you arrive at the show. And there are always some additional prizes. I know Jason has some fun things in store, some larger prizes that he will sell additional tickets for. And the money that they make from those tickets goes to pay for the venue and goes to pay for, in any web services or any advertising they have to do. So it goes right back into the show. Jason is not profiting from the show. I am going to stop talking now, and I'm going to tack on to the end of this video just a little trailer that has some photos and the company name of other companies who have donated to the show. I want you to enjoy this. And if you see something there or a company there that you recognize and you're in the market for something, try to use one of the companies that's supporting us. And when you do, tell them that you heard about them from RGB Woodturner and the Mid-Ohio Valley Pin Turners Gathering, so they know that we are trying to, spread a little love back. They supported us and they showed us some love. Let's us show them some love. Take a look at the rest of these prizes. Oh yeah, one last thing. You are always welcome in Bob's shop. Come back and see me again real soon, and have a great evening.